Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna continue with our skill tree in Unreal Engine 5. We're gonna do that when you reset ability, it disappears from ability slot and inventory. So to start, we're gonna open our blueprints, components, and we're gonna look for ability system. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate our unlock ability and we're gonna create something like remove ability, or whatever you want to name it, and it's gonna be exactly same. The only difference you do, boom, it's not unlocked, and everything else stays same. But one thing I want to add, to call on ability update, I want to add input. So I want to add ability. I want to check what ability we're getting. So as ability structure, and just connect it from here. Okay, so once you've done it, you will have to open our UI, and then we need ability inventory. So now here will be a mistake because we change how this dispatcher looks. So basically we just need to add input here, abilities, yeah, so just add it. You don't need to connect it, you don't need to do anything, it's just so it's work. It have to be done this way. To be honest, you could create different dispatcher and like on ability removed, which is probably better idea, and then add it. Like you see, we got same here, but we don't need to connect anything, only on remove, so we know which ability we remove. But yeah, probably better if you create new dispatcher on ability removed or something like this and put it on this place. But anyway, so another thing we have to do, we're gonna open our component skill tree, and now we're gonna go to reset skill. Oh my god, that's so many. And in reset skill, we can make some space. We're gonna get our ability component and we're gonna put remove ability. We're just gonna connect with ID. Oh, I moved it. No, it's like spider web. No. Yeah, so you can add remove ability. And we need also reset child the same way. Because if you know how my system works, it reset every child, checking every child of the tree. That's why we want to make sure that every child is checked. Okay. Okay, and it should work, to be honest. Now this. Let's see. So we got this. We open, it's here, and we reset. It's no longer here, as you see, but it's still here. Okay, but as you see, it works. It's reset. It's all good, yeah. Okay, so now what you want to do? We're gonna open our abilities. UI abilities, the ability slot. Yeah, so we're gonna have an ability slot in not so much here. Let's say here. Will be here. So we need abilities. We have I think I never had ability. Yeah, I never add ability component here, but we can just do it quickly here. So construct sequencer, and then we're gonna put get ability component. If you watch my old videos, you should know where to get this from, or at least if you watch all the skill tree tutorials, or all, well, to be honest, if you're here, you watch all the skill trees tutorials. Of course, if you didn't, it doesn't really make sense, you won't understand anything. But I recommend you to check it out, and I recommend you check out our ability system, and I will add some more stuff to ability system, like cooldown and stuff like this. So definitely recommend to do it. Check anything you need. You want to learn something, you can check it out. If you want me to, if you got any idea, if you got any idea what I could make, any system or how to make something, you can let me know. Also, I will look into it. Got a few things I already look into it that people request. Okay, sorry. So from this, we're gonna bind to ability update. As I say, you can put as reset, which is gonna make more sense. And then we're gonna just create event, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create. So create function. So that's our new function. You can rename it. You rename it remove ability from slot. Okay, so once we have it, we want to get current ability. We want to get this one, break. That's why we using on remove. We're getting ability reference, so we know which ability we remove, because we want to check it with the current one. So do break as well. Then we want to check equal. So if the equal is true, we want to get current ability. Actually set current ability on true. Make, and just leave it as this, so it's nothing there. And then what we want to do, we want to call update slot. The update slot, why is it, why? Ah, no, update slot is not a function, it's the costume event. I forgot. Okay, and it's connected here. And then as you see, so we have nothing. We're gonna unlock it. And then as you see, we have it. Should. To be honest, it should. Never mind, no one's seen it. Shouldn't be a problem. I connect everything. To be honest, I have some problem that each time I save and come back, something changed, you know? I'll show you in a second. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna reset it. Boom, disappear, no more here. So what I realize, it's something keep changing. I think it keep changing inside third person. No, I don't remember. I've been off of. I haven't been on Unreal Engine for a few days, to be honest. Been quite busy, but I know something keep changing, but I have this problem before that something changed. And I was like, I'm definitely saved it before. Oh, it's hard to find it now. I have to go through all of it, but there's something changed, something. There's abilities. It doesn't matter, obviously. Oh, to be honest, I think it is inside. Yeah. Yeah. So you see this one. So someone let me know why it happens. I'm setting this up as ability, yeah? And it's happened quite a few times that I save it and I come back next time to the project and it doesn't work. So if someone could let me know why is it happening, I would appreciate that. I'll be grateful. So yeah, and as you see, so that's what's happened here? Okay. I don't know what was it. But anyway, as you see, 1, 2, 3, we have the skill. Skill works. And then after you go, reset it, no more skill, and skill shouldn't work. And it's all work. So guys, thank you for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. If you like my content, let me know. Can I change? Let me know why is it happening. As I told you, it's keep changing. I don't know why. In the data set, it's always it's like set for energy ball, and then it's changed. It's happened a few times. So anyway, guys, I see you later.